We're excited to announce a partnership with Western Plant Hire. It's a business that's been in Western Australia supporting the mining industry over there for 25 or 30 years. For MacKellar, it was very much the ability to operate geographically outside Queensland. When you have a business on the other side of the country, it can help greatly with alternate revenue stream and also commodity diversity as well. Western Plant Hire gives us the ability to work in iron ore and lithium and gold. They've got a great reputation. We're excited to be able to keep it a Western Australian business and support them through our financial strength. Both businesses are very similar and ethically very motivated to their brands and customers. We're also very excited about being part of Western Plant Hire's indigenous joint ventures. The Barragoomba, which operate in the Pillara region, and the Nullagu, which operate in the Goldfield areas around Kalgoorlie. These JVs offer opportunities for indigenous partners to participate in the mining activity conducted on their traditional lands, also providing an avenue for our clients to support indigenous businesses on their projects. MacKellar are proud to be supporting the Barragoomba and Nullagu and look forward to watching them grow as we expand our presence in the West.
We're both based on family values. We're privately owned businesses focused on client satisfaction and doing the right thing for our clients, looking for win-win situations. We should be able to see Western Plant Hire grow exponentially from this point with opportunities that we've previously not been able to take advantage of. The capability to support our clients across the whole of Australia now, as opposed to just regionally in Western Australia, has increased significantly. MacKellar adds a heap to our maintenance capability. They do a lot of their own maintenance in-house, component rebuilds, machine rebuilds, things that we would previously have outsourced. Our largest equipment is up to about the 100-tonne range. With MacKellar coming on board, we've now got everything from 100-tonne up to 600-tonne gear and the capability of expanding even further if we want to.
We've got best industry practices and knowledge amongst the two teams. We have systems that MacKellar will be able to adopt and take on board and vice versa. So bringing the two together, it will present leading edge systems for our customer base.
With the backing of MacKellar now, we can be a much bigger company in Western Australia than we probably ever could have been. With that, opportunities to take on bigger jobs, employ more people, so there's big opportunities there.